In fact, they're so hard to spot, they've rarely been filmed. Emperor tamarins. They live in small family groups. To find enough food, they're constantly on the go. But that's a problem when you've got not one, but two babies on board. Mom has to piggyback her toddlers everywhere. Imagine that. Close call. She needs backup. Only one female in a tamarin family gets to breed, so the others become babysitters. Free of the kids, Mom can, at last, head off to find food. There is plenty of fruit around, and just as well, she needs to double her calorie intake to feed herself and the twins. But the youngsters are getting restless. They've gone exploring. 3 stories up. Just one slip could be fatal. The sitter needs eyes in the back of its head. Now, they're out on a limb. Time's up for Mom. She's back on duty, but at least refueled. Mastering life in the canopy is all about teamwork.